Cut the perfect radius or chamfered corners quickly and precisely with the Woodpeckers Corner Jig. Crafted out of aircraft-grade aluminum, this robust tool is precision machined to help woodworkers easily create round or chamfered corners for tabletops, cabinets, and furniture. And easily aligns to your stock to ensure a fast, accurate cut every time. Use the corner jig with a router table or clamp it to a workbench for handheld routing. And its interchangeable insert design features 18 commonly used radius and chamfer sizes, which can be quickly swapped out and secured with 3 socket head screws, so that you can make the perfect cut the first time. The Corner Jig from Woodpeckers, precision made in the USA.